This is a reminder of what 2009 looked like. The tsunami evacuation. Someone.
It's getting serious. It's just a tsunami siren, not a fire brigade siren going off as well here up in Russell. All the locals are up at Flagstaff, or trying to. The road is blocked now. Yeah, so this is the most serious threat we've had so far. We've been living here in 10 years. Good to see that system is working though.
Holy what the ooh. Oh now holy that was freaky.
This is a reminder of what 2009 looked like. The tsunami evacuation. Someone.
It's getting serious. It's just a tsunami siren, not a fire brigade siren going off as well here up in Russell. All the locals are up at Flagstaff, or trying to. The road is blocked now. Yeah, so this is the most serious threat we've had so far. We've been living here in 10 years. Good to see that system is working though.
Meteorologist John Risto is warning people not to take the tsunami warning lightly after earlier ones were cancelled. He says the most recent earthquake changes things.
Big attraction, but
Tsunami.
coming or not?
Oh what? They reckon. That's what they reckon. A couple.
begin with breaking news in New Zealand, where ocean surges are washing ashore after a major tsunami alert was issued this morning. It followed a series of powerful earthquakes off the North Island. Wilhelmina Shrimpton is in Auckland. Good morning to you, Wilhelmina. What's the latest?
Well, the first of those tsunami surges, they started hitting the North Island's coastlines about an hour ago. We have been sent through various vision of those surges coming through. The first in Tokomaru Bay near Gisborne, the second in Turakaka in Northland. That dramatic vision showed a wall of whitewash just moving across the ocean surface, and also some really violent and unpredictable currents at a local marina. Now, evacuations, they were in order, evacuation orders in place for the Bay of Islands to Whangarei, Matata to Tolaga Bay, Great Barrier Island and the west coast of the North Island from Cape Ringa to Ahipara. A warning was also issued for our biggest city, Auckland. Residents were told to stay away from beaches, get out and off the water. It wasn't an evacuation order, but it was a warning, and we did see police vessels and Coast Guard vessels departing from the ports of Auckland behind me to warn those boaties out on the water. Now, our Civil Defence Minister, Kitty Allen, she has praised Kiwis for heeding advice this morning, keeping a cool, calm head and taking those evacuation orders in their stride and getting to higher points. And many of those people at evacuation points we did speak to about what they saw when those surges started rolling in.
The surges have sort of been compressing, and if you can see this sort of gap in here behind me, Wewiki Passage, there's been water accelerating and surging through there and then sucking back out again. So it's sort of been constant, every 5 or so minutes.
Now, we have just been informed news just to hand is that the largest waves have just passed. The threat level has been downgraded to just a beach and marine threat, and those residents who were being told to evacuate to high points have been allowed to return home. So a huge sigh of relief from all of those residents affected this morning.
I'm sure it is. Wilhelmina Shrimpton in Auckland, thank you for your time. A tsunami alert was also issued for the Australian territory of Norfolk Island this morning. A marine warning said there was a possibility of dangerous rips, waves and strong ocean currents. Residents were strongly advised to get out of the water and move away from the ocean's edge. Meanwhile, there is also a warning today for hazardous surf along southern and central parts of the New South Wales coast.